Hello! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch GTX, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or an image as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the MOBVOI application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the MOBVOI application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on the device page you should see your TicWatch GTX. Now tap on the watch face center. Here select customized watch face, and right here we can basically customize our own watch face. We can select the background by tapping on background settings, and we have two icons. We have the gallery icon, and I'm not sure what this icon is, but if we tap on it, nothing happens. Okay, so let's tap on the gallery icon first, and as you can see, we have two options: take picture and album. If you want to use the camera to take a picture and use it as a watch face, select the take picture option. It will open the camera app. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face. If you select the album option, it will open the file manager or photos, gallery photos on your phone, and you will be able to select the picture from your phone. I'm gonna use the second option, album. As you can see, it opened the gallery. I'm gonna tap right here, select the download folder, and in the download folder I have two photos. For example, let's select this one. And once you select the photo, you will need to crop it because the whole photo won't be able to fit on the watch face. So we can only select the part of it as a watch face. And to do it, you can slide this by swiping on the screen. You can grab it by the corners to make it bigger or smaller, and you can also rotate it, I believe, by tapping on this icon right here, as you can see. And once you're done cropping the image, basically selecting the part of the picture you want to use, tap on crop, and here we have a preview of our watch face. You can also change the color of the text, and once you're done, you can tap on save and apply. It's gonna start synchronizing, and once it's done synchronizing, the watch face will be applied on your watch. And here we have it. Once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.